I'm going to try a mentalism trick with my digital assistant. There's 4 queens in a deck of cards. In this envelope, I have 2 jokers that are face up, and I have 1 queen that is sandwiched between them face down. We will see if the digital assistant can pick which one is sandwiched in between. So we will take our queens, mix them up, and we will put them in positions 1, 2, 3, 4. Siri, random number between 1 and 4.
A random number between 1 and 4 is 2.
So the queen we're going to use is the queen of diamonds. So now, in my envelope, like I said, I've got 2 jokers. And sandwiched in between the 2 jokers should be the queen of diamonds. Well, there's 4 queens in the deck, so I guess we have to eliminate 3 cards. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Siri, random number between 1 and 4.
A random number between 1 and 4 is 3.
Siri, random number between 1 and 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
Siri, random number between 1 and 2.
A random number between 1 and 2 is 2.
So these are the 3 cards that Siri had left. Let's see how well Siri did. And as you could see, Siri had correctly chosen the queen of diamonds. But this might be important too, the cards that she did not select. She did not select these 3. So there was only 1 queen sandwiched in there. She determined which queen it was, and she also determined which cards not to pick.